Hi, this is Miles Brown, and this is my Jeopardy project. So right now we're at the beginning, the intro screen. It says, "Welcome to Jeopardy. Please enter your first name." So we're just going to type in Miles, and as long as your name's not past 10 letters, you can backspace it. You can write basically whatever name you have, as long as it's not more than 10 letters. Then when your name is entered, press enter to proceed. So now we're showed with the rules screen. Tells you to start the game, just press R, as it's told right here again. To win money, you click on the values, answer the questions right, and press the red stop button on the right side to stop the game. So let's get into a game. We're on the main screen now. We see my name, podium, score, which is $0. So we look at different categories: presidents' last names, famous capitals, countries, instruments, characters from books, and different values for each. And you either win this amount or you lose this amount. So let's click on president's last names for 300. Now, this president had the shortest term of any president. We're going to say Harrison. Now, we know it's a correct answer, so I will win $300, as we can see right here. But then let's say famous capitals for 200. Capital of the most populated state. Well, that's California, and which would mean to be Sacramento. But let's just say we put Florida as our answer. Now this isn't right, so we would lose 200 points. So now we only have $100. Now after that, you can't click on it again or do it over again because you can't answer a question at the same time. So countries for 100, Greece. Yep, we got another 100 points. And so now we've done pretty well. We have $200, so let's stop. Congrats, you didn't lose any money. You won $200. We can just reset the game. We're back again. So really quickly, we go through this. We take a look again. Let's say Kevin, not the right name. We lose 200. Want to stop? Better luck next time. You lost $200 and you reset the game. And yeah, that's my Jeopardy game.